Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel if you're new. My name is Kostas Lazanas. I am the owner and head chef of Opa Greek Tavern. A few days ago, we did a cocktail video with this new vodka, Kastra Elion, made in Nafpaktos, Greece, which is in the Corinth Gulf, using distilled olives and curated grains. This is actually like a sipping vodka, but I think I may have been misunderstood. This is actually not a olive flavored vodka. It is still a very neutral spirit, so your mixology creativity can shine through and you can use it however you want to. Just to show you what I mean, today I want to teach you how to make a Greek Lemon Drop Martini. Roll that intro. Any proper mixologist is going to chill. Oh my goodness, that was messy. And chill the martini glass. Just fill up that martini glass with some ice that you have laying around. Then top that off with some water and just let that glass chill all the way down. All right guys, let's start building our classic lemon drop martini, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna Greek it up a little bit. Opa, 2.5 ounces of Kastra Elion Greek vodka. I'm gonna use the juice from 1 lemon. It's gonna be about 1 ounce of lemon juice. And I wanna do equal parts simple syrup. So 1 ounce of simple syrup, just to brighten it up, sweeten it up a little bit. Bring out those lemon notes. To this, I wanna add some fresh ice. Go ahead and add your mixing glass to your cocktail shaker. Give this a good shake. Okay, this is where we're gonna Greek it up. I have a secret ingredient here. This is a Greek imported mastic powder. Basically, Mastiha is a shrub or an evergreen bush in Greece that produces a sap, a mastic sap, and the locals would actually chew on it. So to masticate, like a cow masticates to chew, actually is derived from the Greek word Mastiha. Little fun fact there. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust a little bit of this mastic powder into my lemon drop martini. It's gonna add a nice complex layer. Give this cocktail a good shake and strain into your cocktail glass. I'm gonna garnish this cocktail with a lemon wheel. And it's that simple. A Greek lemon drop martini made with Kastra Elion Greek vodka. If you guys wanna try this vodka out, I will put a link to where you can buy it below this video. In addition to that, we are serving this vodka at our Greek restaurant, Opa Greek Tavern, by the martini, or actually by the bottle with the new TABC laws. I hope you guys go out and make a delicious Greek lemon drop martini for yourself, hopefully using Kastra Elion Greek vodka, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Yamas.